Zara, what are you doing?
Stop!
Where are you going, Zara? You're building what? It's time to cook. Oh my goodness. What? It's time to cook.
Today,
There.
we are gonna cook snow. This is the only ingredient we have. Oh. No!
Zion, shovel, please. Hold on. I'm just gonna borrow it.
Don't take off all the snow. My precious snow!
Look, that will make a...
Baby.
What? Like a what?
Look at you, baby.
Nandito na kami, guys. Oh, dalawa pala ang bed dito ta.
Yeah.
Tag-isa tayo. Yun ang swimming pool ta sa kabila.
It's a different ocean.
I know.
And then.
And guys, we're here now. So we got 2 beds. One for my husband and one for me.